What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we have this beautiful M2 comp that came in for an exhaust refreshment. So the current setup on this M2 comp is a full active Autowerke exhaust. Currently he's running stock downpipes, but he is running a non-resonated equal length mid pipe and their switchback exhaust. So the way we're going to be switching up the current setup that he's running is by adding some downpipes and also by switching up his equal length mid pipe to a single mid pipe also by active Autowerke. We are going to be keeping the rear portion of the exhaust. So on the process of the video, we're going to be showing you guys the two differences between the equal length mid pipe and the single mid pipe, and most importantly, how it sounds. So enjoy the rest of the video, guys, and stay tuned for the end results. Alright guys, so as you can see here, we have both active Autowerke mid pipes to pretty much compare, the differences on how they're designed, and travel of sound pretty much compensates with having the squiggly pipe. Yeah, so when it travels together and it comes out exactly the same. Opposed to this, sound also travels together, but it's in a bigger pipe. So there is a different sound. This one pretty much eliminates more of the rasp in a sense. And this one just sounds like a deeper tone. Might be tuned